Hello, I am Dylan Olson, a solutions architect with CADtalk. Today I'm going to show you a demonstration of taking SOLIDWORKS data and going into Business Central. You can see with CADtalk we have the ability to run directly inside of SOLIDWORKS as an add-in, just like any other add-in. And we have this area here. We will log in to Business Central using our own credentials. And we'll see that we are now logged in when the login button is no longer actionable. So what we're going to do is take this file and transform it from SOLIDWORKS information to Business Central items and bills of materials. And we have the ability to work to production BOMs or assembly BOMs. And we will do that by clicking Load SOLIDWORKS File. Here, you'll notice a prompt for the different configurations. I'm showing the 4 gear sets right now, so we will select that one. And CADtalk will now run the transformations to create items in Business Central and the bills of materials. In here, you'll see the stacked block icon represents an item inside of Business Central. We have the capabilities of adding routings. Here, you'll see a step for assembly for the overall assembly file. The single block icon represents a bill of materials line. Here, we can show and hide columns to see different things. So I'm on the materials and I will get the fields available on the bill of material lines so I can show things like quantity. You'll notice here that the view changes again, and now I can show properties of items. And through the tree, you'll notice everything is red here, but as I go down, there's some green and yellow. The green means everything exists and matches. So part of this subassembly that is inside the 4 gear set already exists inside of Business Central. The yellow icon means it exists, but there's something that's being changed. Here we can see that the description is highlighted yellow, saying that that is being changed. I can right click on it and I can see the original, which is what is currently in Business Central. And then the current is what we're proposing to change it to. So we're adding some more information here. And once you go through the tree and review that everything is accurate, you can click Save, and CADtalk is now creating or updating all of these items and creating the bill of material and the routing. So now we can go into Business Central. And we can look at this in here. So if we navigate to this, we can see that the item was created. We can go to the structure and we can see the structure with the work centers here. And that is how we are able to synchronize or update, creating all the items, updating bills of materials, and handling revisions. Thank you.